Hi, Piero. I just really quickly wanted to go over some assignments for this upcoming week. Now, both cohorts will be completing similar assignments, but on opposite days, obviously, because you are not off on the same exact day. So, on Monday, both groups should be working or have finished the 95 Theses questions for Martin Luther. And remember, your digital packet should have been posted with the assignment for your specific cohort on either the 24th or on the 25th. So that's where it is. Please make sure you're saving that document to your drive because you're going to be working on it and then submitting it back at the end of the unit. You do not need to submit these assignments until the unit is over, but you will be having reading checks to check for understanding to make sure that you're staying on top of the work as it is due. So, cohort 2, while you are home on Tuesday, you are doing the Martin Luther outline. That Martin Luther outline should have been completed by cohort 1 on Monday. On Wednesday, cohort 1, you are doing the Calvin reading. So that's on Calvinism. Cohort 2, you will then be doing the Calvin reading on Thursday. And on Friday, cohort 1, you're going to be watching Crash Course and filling out a sheet about the differences between the Reformation and then people who are part of the Counter-Reformation. So all of those items are going to be linked here, as you can see for cohort 1. Things are getting ready to go. For cohort 2, here you are. So obviously they will become bolded when it is assigned. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend and a great week.